Now, the 11th on my list is the Advanced Korean Brightest Body Oil. This is an amazing body oil. I've actually done a full review for this particular product. I can link it in the description if you want to see a full review and what I think about it. It has the brightest body oil, it has the fairest body oil, but the one I'm recommending for this video is the brightest body oil because that one, it just works in a miraculous way. It has licorice extract, it has oat oil, it has proline and some amazing ingredients in it that brightens the skin in an amazing manner. Do you know that feeling when you get a product? This product doesn't look like it is an active product, but it works. You know, when you pick up the advanced Korean body oil, the packaging, the design of the product, it doesn't give off super active. It doesn't give off, oh, this will really do something to your skin. But when you now start using it, you are going to get addicted to the body oil. It is super nice. It is super glowing. It is super brightening to the skin. This is an oil that is going to glow your skin, plump your skin. It is fast absorbing. Do you understand? It is that body oil you can use when the weather is hot. It is super fast absorbing and it is super duper nice on the skin. The 12th on my list is Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Brightening Oil. Now, this one has vitamin C, rosehip oil, turmeric root extract, and vitamin C. I would recommend this particular product for people with aging skin. You have aging skin and you need a body oil that is very refined with pure ingredients. As I say, there are brands that I mention, and I talk about the purity of the ingredients that they use, the purity and the standard of oils that they use. So you also need to pay attention to that if you are concerned with that. Do you understand? So advanced clinicals products, they are also one of those products or that brand that uses very good grade of ingredients for their skincare products. So this particular one is super amazing. You want a very good body oil, a very good vitamin C body oil, a dermatologically clinically tested body oil. Do you understand? A body oil that when you buy, you are buying it with your full chest. That you are buying the original, get the original because these body oils are not cheap. A lot of people in the bid to get bargain, get budgets, you get fake products. Most of these products are not cheap, and that's the truth. Do you understand? So this one is not on the affordable side. If you're on the affordable, I've told you where to go. Go to Desire and all of those ones. So that is it for that one. Then number 13 on my list. Number 13 on my list is the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Nourishing and Repairing Body Oil. This one is also another potent budget body oil. I have a lot of Indian viewers. So if you're in India, you're going to find this. It's also in Nigeria. Do you understand? But just specifying. So this one is also good. Number 14 on my list is also Dr. Davi Vitamin C Glow and Radiance Brightening Body Oil. This one is another powerful brightening body oil. Let me not be talking too much. So number 15 on my list is the Vit Gold Vitamin C body oil. If you have used Vit Gold, you know that Vit Gold is amazing. It is super amazing. It has orange peel oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil. Now, one thing with body oils or body oils like this is that they have, in as much as the ones now that don't have or that are on the affordable rates, that don't have that high grade body oils. Do you understand? That doesn't mean that they are not good for your skin. That doesn't mean that they will not give you benefit and nourishment to your skin. No, once it is body oil, do you understand? Once it is body oil, it has nourishing benefits to your skin. Even the palm oil that we used to eat, if not that it is red in color, if not that it will stain your clothes and everything. If you are rubbing red palm oil, your skin is going to glow because that stain is rich. It has dense nutrients. So I just need you to know that, it's not because you can't buy high-end products that you should not now buy. You should not be trying to save money and save money. No, if it is Desire you can afford, buy Desire. It is good. Me, I use Desire. I use Taravit. I use Skin Point. I use all of those things. Most of these oils I'm telling you, these are oils that I have personally used over the years. And I'm going to tell you that they are good. They all work. They all work for the skin. Do you understand? So now number 16 on my list is one very potent body oil. It is very potent, and that is the Lumin Vitamin C Brightening plus Exfoliating Body Oil. This is a glow body oil. This is a body oil that is going to give you 1 to 2 shades lightening over time of usage because this is an exfoliating body oil. Do you understand? It has soya bean, it has vitamin C, turmeric, grapefruit extract, it has peel oil. Now this peel oil, it's an exfoliating oil to the skin. It also has orange extract in it. This particular Lumin oil is super duper amazing. If you find it, buy it. If you know you want that body oil that is going to help to brighten and lighten your skin over time, get this particular one. Lumin has different variants of oil, but this particular one that says brightening plus exfoliating is going to lighten up your skin 1 to 2 shades in not so long time. Like, it works a bit faster than the rest of the brightening oils that I've told you about. Now, 17th on my list is the Easy Tone Body Oil. Now, this particular body oil is a very good oil for caramel skin people. It is also good for light skin people, but if you're a caramel skin person and you use this particular oil, you are absolutely going to love how your skin is going to turn out. It has amazing ingredients. It has jojoba oil, olive oil, vitamin A, mineral oil. This is a body oil that is going to tone up your skin. Do you understand? It is going to tone up your skin. It is going to give you a very good skin texture. It is an amazing, amazing, amazing body oil. It's a toning oil. It's not necessarily brightening. It is toning, it is glowing, and it is super duper lightweight. Also, if you're also someone that's, you are somewhat on a budget and you are looking for that oil that is super lightweight, that once you apply it to your skin, it will just sink into your skin without feeling oily, without feeling greasy, go for Easy Tone Body Oil. You are going to love it. Now, the 18th on my list is the Beauty Routines Carrot Face and Body Oil. This body oil is super amazing. I don't want to say much, but this oil has alpha arbutin, carrot oil, and jojoba oil. Now, this particular body oil is stemmed lightening oil because it lightens up your skin. This oil is also part of the oils that are going to give you 1 to 2 shades lightening in not so long period of time. You don't need to use it for like a very long period of time to get this result that I'm talking about. It is super duper amazing. Just make sure you get this particular one on the screen. Now, the 19th on my list is another super brightening lightening body oil, and that is the Moroccan argan oil, which is their carrot oil. Now, this one has carrot, glycolic acid, and ginseng. Any oil that has an exfoliant in it is surely going to lighten up your skin. Now, the way these oils work is they have like brightening ingredients, they have exfoliating ingredients, and then they have botanicals in it. That's this one that has ginseng, which is a natural skin lightener, skin exfoliant, skin brightener. Do you understand? And an antioxidant. These are things that will work together to exfoliate your skin. Anything that's going to exfoliate your skin is surely going to lighten up your skin in a good way, not in a bleaching way. A lot of times when people hear lighten up skin, they will just term it bleaching or term it bleaching. It is not bleaching, please. Lightening up is maybe used just to give you that glow, that shine. It is not bleaching of the skin. Okay, so now the 20th on my list is the Cosmo Glow White Skin Perfector Whitening Body Oil. Now, this oil is written whitening. I feel it is misleading because this is not a whitening oil. In fact, it's just marketing. Do you understand? So, this oil has vitamin A and grapeseed oil in it. It is super amazing. If there is one thing this oil does to the skin, it is glow. It is nourishing and making your skin to look healthy and supple. This oil is nice, but it is not whitening and it is not lightening. So this is for fair people that just want a very good body oil for their skin, or a caramel skin person that just want a very good body oil for her skin. So that is it for the Cosmo body oil. Now, the bonus that I have for you is this amazing beauty here, lighten up body oil. Now, this particular body oil has almond oil, has vitamin E and alpha arbutin in it. Now, this oil lightens up your skin, and this is a oil you can use on your face, on your body. It is for all your body. Now, most of these oils that I told you, for those that will ask, most of them can be used on the face. A lot of them are lightweight body oils, non-comedogenic body oils that you can use on your face and on your body. But if you're someone that is acne prone, you should be careful when using body oils on your face, or basically using oils on your face. Do you understand? Some people have very sensitive acne prone skin. If you're that person, please don't even try oils on your face yet until you find or form a routine that is going to allow you to be able to use oils on your face freely. So these are the 20 top lightening, brightening, skin glowing body oils that I have for you on my list today. Which ones have you used? Which ones are you going to try out? For me, I've used a lot of body oils on this list, and that is why I'm actually bringing all of them together to the table for you and tell you how it works. So all I do is just to rotate and all of that. They are amazing body oils. They are very good, and I believe I've explained how they all work. So if you have comments, you have thoughts, if you have questions, leave them in the comment section and I will surely attend to you. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are not. Thank you, and I'll see you on any of these videos right here let's continue our beautiful skincare conversations. Bye.